Hey everyone, welcome back to Viral Vibes. If you've ever wished for more confidence, the kind that helps you stand tall, speak up, and go after what you want, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing a step-by-step guide to building unshakable confidence that lasts. Let's dive right in! First, let's start with the foundation, self-awareness. Before you can build confidence, you need to understand yourself, your strengths, weaknesses, and the stories you tell yourself. Take a few minutes to reflect on what makes you feel insecure or doubtful. Is it fear of failure, fear of judgment, or comparing yourself to others? Write these down. Awareness is the first step to change because once you identify what's holding you back, you can start to tackle it. Step 2 is setting small, achievable goals. Confidence grows when you prove to yourself that you can take action and succeed. Start with something that feels just outside your comfort zone. Maybe it's speaking up in a meeting, introducing yourself to someone new, or sharing your ideas online. Every time you complete one of these small goals, you're telling yourself, I can do this. Over time, those small wins build a foundation of confidence that's rock solid. Step 3 is all about positive self-talk. Our minds can be our biggest supporters or our worst critics. Pay attention to the way you talk to yourself throughout the day. When you catch yourself saying things like, I can't do this, or I'm not good enough, challenge those thoughts. Replace them with phrases like, I'm learning and growing, or I'm proud of my effort. The way you talk to yourself shapes how you see yourself, and that shapes your confidence. Step 4 is to celebrate your progress. It's easy to focus on what's still left to achieve, but confidence grows when you acknowledge how far you've come. At the end of each week, take a moment to list 3 things you did that made you proud. They don't have to be huge accomplishments. Even small steps forward count. By celebrating your progress, you're reinforcing the belief that you are capable and that your efforts matter. Step 5 is to surround yourself with positivity. The people and environments you spend time with have a huge impact on your confidence. Seek out supportive friends, mentors, or communities that encourage you to grow. Limit time with people who bring you down or make you doubt yourself. Positive energy is contagious, and being around people who believe in you helps you believe in yourself. Step 6 is to take care of your body. Confidence isn't just mental, it's physical too. Regular exercise, enough sleep, and a healthy diet all contribute to feeling good in your own skin. When you feel strong and healthy, you naturally carry yourself with more confidence. So make time to move your body, eat nourishing foods, and get enough rest. Your body and your confidence will thank you. Step 7 is to learn new skills. Growth fuels confidence. Whether it's learning a new language, picking up a hobby, or improving your professional skills, challenging yourself to grow builds a sense of achievement. The more you know and the more skills you have, the more capable you feel to handle whatever comes your way. Confidence comes from competence, so never stop learning. Step 8 is to visualize success. Take a few minutes each day to close your eyes and picture yourself succeeding. Imagine the details, how you look, how you feel, and how others respond to you. Visualization helps your mind practice success, making it easier to feel confident when the real moment arrives. Athletes use this trick all the time, and it works. Step 9 is to practice gratitude. Being grateful for what you have, your strengths, opportunities, and progress, shifts your focus from what's missing to what's working. Gratitude keeps you grounded and helps you appreciate the journey. It's a powerful way to stay positive and build self-belief. And finally, step 10, embrace failure as part of growth. No one is confident all the time, and setbacks are a natural part of life. Instead of letting failure destroy your confidence, see it as a chance to learn and improve. Every time you fail and get back up, you build resilience and strength. That's what makes your confidence unshakable, knowing that no matter what happens, you can handle it. Let's recap. The 10 steps to build unshakable confidence are self-awareness, setting small goals, positive self-talk, celebrating progress, surrounding yourself with positivity, taking care of your body, learning new skills, visualizing success, practicing gratitude, and embracing failure. Each of these steps works together to create a strong, lasting sense of confidence that can carry you through any challenge. Remember, confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build, one step at a time. Which of these steps are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Viral Vibes for more tips on how to become your best self. Stay confident, stay positive, and I'll see you in the next video. You've got this!